Okay, we are talking about metric to metric conversions. An effective method for solving problems in science is the unit analysis method. It is often called dimensional analysis or the factor label method. There are 3 steps to solve problems using unit analysis method. First step is to read problem and determine the unit required in this answer. Second step, to analyze the problem and determine the given value that is related to answer. And third step is to write one or more unit factors to convert the unit in the given value to the unit in the answer. Now let's see how do we apply this unit analysis method. So step 1, that write the unit asked for in the answer. Okay, given value is step 2, and whatever you need unit in your answer, that's step 1. Write down the given value related to answer, that's step 2, and we are going to multiply with unit factors, that's step 3. The way we set up unit factor, where we can write given value is at the bottom, so we can see on the top there is given value, and the bottom if it is given value we can cancel, and whatever we need that unit should be on the top. So that way if we can set it up, then we can cancel given values and we can find units in the what we want. Okay, so we can write unit equations for the conversion between different metric units. The prefix kilo means 1000 basic units. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. The unit equation is 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Similarly, a millimeter is 1/1000th of a meter. So the unit equation is 1000 millimeter equals 1 meter. So what are unit factors for those? If we have 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer, then we can write following unit factors from converting between meters and kilometers. So we can write 2 ways, 1 kilometer divided by 1000 meter or 1000 meter divided by kilometer. Since we have 1000 millimeter in 1 meter, we can write the following unit factors. 1000 millimeters divided by 1 factor, or 1 meter divided by 1000 millimeters. Let's work on this example. What is the mass in grams of a 325 grams milligrams aspirin tablet? So first we want to know grams. Second, we write down what is given. So we wanted to know grams. That's step 1 here. Step 2, we have 325 milligrams. And step 3, unit factor. The way we set up unit factor from this equation, where milligrams at the bottom, so we can cancel milligram, which is 1000 milligram, in 1 gram. 1 gram on the top, gram is on the top, so we need mass in grams. So that way we can cancel 325 divided by 1000, which is 0.325 grams. Another example, a hospital has 125 deciliters of blood plasma. What is the volume in milliliters? So again, we want to answer in milliliters. We have 125 deciliters. So first we convert deciliter to liter, and then we convert liter to milliliter. When we convert liter to deciliter, we can use 1 liter divided by 10 deciliter and 1000 milliliter to 1 liter when we convert from liter to milliliter. So that's 2 unit factors we can use. Now apply both unit factors and round the answer to 3 significant digits. When you apply this, the deciliter is at the bottom, so we can cancel, we get in liters, and then again the way we set up where liters cancel and we get the answer in milliliters. So 125 times 1000, which is 12,500 milliliter, which is the answer in milliliter. So that we convert 125 deciliter to milliliter. Another example, the mass of the Earth's moon is 7.35 times 10 raised to 22 kilograms. What is the mass expressed in nanograms, ng? Now we want nanogram and we have kilogram. So we first convert kilograms to grams and then grams to nanograms. So when we have 7.35 times 10 raised to 22 kilogram, the way we set up unit factor where 1 kg equals 1000 grams. So first we convert kilograms to gram, and then we know 1 gram has 10 raised to 6 nanogram. So when we cancel, we get whatever the answer we get, it's in nanogram. So that's English to English, metric to metric conversion. In our next video, we'll learn about metrics to English conversion.